Please. Let me just hello.
Madam, you're closing our camera.
She wants to do something now. Is there anybody there? Nobody that is coming now. No, I'm not doing anything now.
No. Come here, stay here. We'll do the lawyer, we'll do me. What court are we using? What? Can you see me?
Where is the front of the camera? This one is.
We should wait.
This one is bent.
Check now, check. Okay, so you moved the application for bail for your clients today, and the court adjourned to March for ruling.
Yeah.
An overview of the proceedings today, are you satisfied?
Well, I am. It was tough. There are a lot of issues that arose today that are unexpected, but I'm satisfied the way we address those issues on the spot. A little disappointment remains that the court could not do a bench ruling on the bail application today. See, our client here has been detained for almost 5 years, counting to when he was detained from 2015 to today. So each extra day he remains in detention is a blight on his right to his liberty. So every lawyer should fight to have him enjoy his bail, be granted bail, so he can enjoy some freedom from this almost 5 years of detention and almost 7 years of being in exile. 3 weeks is not too much, but I would have preferred a bench ruling today.
But so far today, the court gave some orders in favor of your clients with regards to his change of attire.
Yes.
He has been wearing since 2021.
Yes.
That is a step in the right direction. How do you react to that?
Well, it is, even though it detracted from him having to wear his traditional clothing. A little bit of a victory there is something to be happy about. So at least he can have a change of clothing since he was renditioned in 2021. So we're happy about it.
Last,
so was it?
I want to know the reason behind the change of counsel. Is there a reason behind that? Because you know, Michael Zekome...
There's only one reason. Every client, everywhere in the world, has a right to change his counsel anytime. I may not be the one here on 19th March. By the grace of God, I hope I will be, but it may not be me. That is the right. So you have under the law to change their counsel.
So as you prepare for trial, sir, on the 19th, what's your position on the 7 counts that he's going to be facing before this court? We've
always been ready for trial, but as my Lord stated, trial is not for us to conduct. It's for the prosecution to conduct. Ours is to do cross-examination. and put our defense at the end of the trial. We're ready.
Thank you very much.
The bail application is not meant to delay trial, as the prosecution suggested. No, we're ready. Thank you.
Follow us, go collect.
You have...
I have some copy of the bill. Okay, Mandela. Mandela.